All right, we get our filled panels all set, ready to measure our hip. We're going to measure from a profile, not the edge, but a profile. And each panel will have two measurements, bottom measurement and the top measurement. Once we get those measurements, write them down. And we'll continue measuring up the hip and writing those down in order as we go up so they're ready to cut and bend. Now when we're measuring into the 2x2, make sure I make minus a 1/4 inch. That way we don't fight it when we're installing it. When we're ready to cut our hip pieces, we'll take our list that we got from the roof, find that same profile on the panel that we measured from on the roof, then go ahead and start your measurements. There'll be a measurement on top and on bottom. That will be my bend line, and we can take a 2x2 and create my cut line. Take it to the cutter. And we'll take it to the bender. Fold this up since it's a hip. And once I get all my measurements done for that pile, go ahead hand that up to the roof. And it'll be in order from eave to ridge. Once we get our pile up for cutting and bending them, they'll be in order. We'll go ahead and start placing our panels. Get the top one on, tack that in place. And then we can come back, start installing our panels. Then we can come back and fasten as normal.